Thanks for a wonderful participation to all the online community. Quickly give what questions we are wrong, you are right. Yes. Right. I am going to answer all your questions and go home. Don't worry. 36. Start with 36. Please propose your alternative answer along with the question. But don't ask me 240 questions once more as objections. 36 C is the proposal. Chalo, देखेंगे वो क्या है. Increase in sodium conductance is associated with what? Mainly in the case of the skeletal muscle, no doctor, not in the smooth muscle. Here there is an upstroke of smooth muscle action potential was given, no? Huh? Even for smooth muscle, sodium is responsible? No. So smooth and it is the calcium conductance which is mainly responsible for the upstroke in the case of the smooth muscle and the cardiac muscle, ventricular muscle. In both of them, calcium is mainly responsible. I hope that helps. Now, question number, I am taking up 182. Yes, asked by Dr. Shiva. Come on, doctor. 182. What is the alternative you want to choose? Dysphagia. See, doctor, this kind of questions of absolute relative indications are decided by American Surgical Society. We are writing Indian NEET PG. You may argue everything is reasonable, but there is a difference between absolute relative based on some studies, some recommendations being given. Helpless. Now, Dr. Anuja says, I am going through the queue. 192. Okay, what is the alternative answer, Dr. Anuja? 192. Meanwhile, let us go to 192. Shoot your alternative answer. 192. Okay, what is your alternative answer? $192. Okay, I think the question proposer Anuja says C. Vagotomy and pyloroplasty, why not? And why do you want to go for vagotomy plus gastrojejunostomy for outlet obstruction? I think generally jejunastomy's purpose is to bypass and provide an outlet, and pyloroplasty also is doing the same thing of repairing the pyloric end. But pyloroplasty generally is not very effective if already gastric outlet obstruction develops full blown. That's the reason we choose vagotomy plus gastrojejunostomy. So D is preferable. You are supporting me or opposing me? Okay, that's good. So that's taken care. Next, after that, Dr. Shiva proposes 220. Let me go to 220, 220. Type 220. 220. Shiva proposes C. 3000. We are talking more or less. 3000 hai to comfortably we can try anything with that baby like a football. But if it is less than 200, complications are much more. Is it 3000 or anybody else has in mind 3000? Because even Guntur proposes 3000. Okay. As far I extend, it is 2000, but if you have any specific reference, we will come back on that. Then after that, Shiva proposes 155. Fourth heart sound occurs in all except. Fourth heart sound is always better palpated. rather than auscultated. True. That's true. Just like S3, S4, they are more palpable findings rather than auscultatable. So there is no second dual thought about it. Then where are we? We finished what? 155. Then we'll quickly go to question number 36. Proposed as C by our Guntur students. 36, let us see. 36. 3, 6. Huh? Already over, no? Then Vijayawada proposed 61. I think we will end up in once more 240 questions. 61, 61, 1 minute. 61. Yes, doctor. Vijayawada should propose what is the alternate answer for 61 they want to propose. Palpable, there is no doubt on that about the third, fourth heart sound. Okay, 61. You need to propose an alternative. Anybody else got a doubt about 61? Huh? Option? Primary biliary cirrhosis patients are also likely to have primary biliary cirrhosis. Yeah, I think we need to change answer. What is the alternative answer? Something that fits PBC. So probably option B, we will repair it as PBC and make anti-mitochondrial antibodies married to it. That makes it a correct answer. But it's a very good objection. Question number 61, where we are correctable. Then, okay, question number 70. I think we are going little slowly. A lot of people have a lot of doubts. Yeah, Kakinada says question number 14. Is it 21 days? Come on, go to 14. I am coming once more from the bottom of the list. Yeah, is it third week? Primitive uteroplacental, end of the first month. First month is no doubt. No, don't worry about the figures. Figures we are always generally right. Then Guntur proposes 61D. Is 61 over? No. 61. Just now we finished, right? Then what else is there? Let us clear some passport files. Question number 74, proposed by Secunderabad students. Are we done with 74? Okay, 74. Okay, go to 74. Ulcerative colitis with Crohn's. Okay. Question number 74. What is the alternative proposal? Question number 74. A. Colonic involvement is seen in both. Only thing is, ulcerative colitis remains in colon. Crohn's will skip mouth to anus anywhere. So there is no issue on that. Question number question number 14 from Kakinada. Over, 14 is over, no? Okay. Then 61, is it over? Okay. 38, is it over? No, 38, chalo, 38. 38, right. What is the proposal of 38? Guntur says C. Intrapleural pressure becomes more subatmospheric. As we stretch now, it will reach all the way to minus 30 centimeters water. It will go to. So there is no doubt on that. We are undisputably right. Then 129, Anantapur says C is wrong. 129. Secretary otitis media. Okay. Between central and marginal perforation, which is much more common? Huh? Marginal is only more common, no? Yeah. Then 43 and 44. Question number 43. Those who feel hungry can leave. No issue. 43, 44. What is your proposal? 43 and 44. 43B is the proposal. Glycine combines with succinyl-CoA to form what amino levulanic acid? It is gamma only, no? Huh? What is the issue about B? Delta, na? Okay. We'll convert it into delta. Agreed. Because Guntur is very sure it is not delta, hence we answered it as B. Okay, we'll change. Agreed, agreed. It's changeable. Valid. Till now, how many valid objections came? 2 or 3. Small. 240 questions में 2-3 mistakes भी नहीं है तो how will it be Murli Bharadwaj classroom? You will you will suddenly feel there is something new. Question number 44A. Okay, 44. Chalo doctor. Why not A? 2 molecules of same problem of ABCD EFGH problem it is. Just we replace. We need to replace delta. Okay, agreed. Agreed, doctor. Question number 14. Okay, what 14 is over? Okay. So thanks everyone for the patient participation. Dr. Padma proposes 107. Okay, I think the list is unending. We will leave. We won't leave till Wednesday. 107. Dr. Padma proposes 107. Huh? A and D, both of them are correct. Eh? It is the absence. Presence will prove, no, doctor. By which of the following findings boy can prove that he is innocent? Okay, we will bring some change in 107.